Howdy folks, Brian with TNT Over 50 coming at you once again. Hey, sorry guys, I haven't posted another video in such a long time. Summer's been interesting, had 4 deaths in the family, had COVID, and I've just been like under the weather, man. But I'm back, here we are. I've had lots of people ask me about boiled eggs recently, and so here's another one. I did one a few months back on it, but here it is again. Has to be pasture raised, folks. No vegetarian fed, no cage free, no all this other weird lingo. It has to be pasture raised. And when you crack it, if that sucker ain't bright orange, it's something wrong with it. So, and the taste, oh my God, when you get a good pasture raised egg is awesome. And the whole thing is this, pasture raised, if the chicken can go out and eat lizards and worms and be its carnivore, critter self, the omega-3, 6, and omega-3 fatty acids, omega 6 and 3s. If the omega-6 is higher than the 3s, it causes inflammation in your body, and that's all the crappier other eggs. This one right here, the reason why it is bright orange is because the omega-3s are so much higher. Good heart health, good this, good that, no inflammation in your body, and you can eat them all day long. I personally eat about between 6 to 8 eggs a day, and it's basically my whole protein source that I get, and I'm not lagging in that department. So it's some good stuff, and I don't do any protein powders or anything. This is my straight up protein source. What you do, get the water piping hot to a piping boil. Drop the eggs in, only 8 minutes. You do not want to overcook this thing. Once it's done, drop it into just ice water. What that does, it shrinks the little membrane on the inside from hot to cold, and when you crack it, it's like effortless. It just heals just straight up in half. You don't gotta sit there and fight with it or whatever, but man, 8 minutes, because you do not want the yolk to get so powdery that when you eat it, it turns into a carbohydrate in your body, and it will. You want the amino acids inside that yolk to be intact. And what I'm talking is just like this. You want it to be kind of gel. You don't want to boil it till it's just this powder stuff coming out of there. But what I like doing with them, I get this like a horseradish mustard, and it's good. But there's my egg tip, folks. I mean, literally, after my workout, I cook up like a chicken bone broth, crack 3 eggs in there, stir it around to where, you kill the bacteria and stuff, but it keeps all the aminos intact. I mean, that's the whole thing. We can cook our food so much to where literally it will turn into a carbohydrate in your bloodstream and can be completely void of the amino acids, the protein, all the stuff that you actually need to repair your muscles, to just do all these different things. So there's my egg tip, folks. Until next time, see ya.